So I'm in Guatemala, and I've been looking for Volkswagens, and passed by a museum by the top of this hill. Really cool museum. And what do I find? A work of art. Let's go take a look. It's crazy. This thing was actually owned by one of the artists that is on display here, and this thing clearly caught fire. It's still pretty cool to check out. So they converted it into a work of art. I could use these rims on the front. Wow. Just a little rusty. And no motor. But overall, kind of cool. And then over here was another one of those cars. This one's a little bit more solid. Listen to the birds, pretty cool. So this one's a little bit better shape, but still pretty rusty. This one actually still has a motor in it. Pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed.